Which part is happening? Transport center? In the middle of halfway tree? That means that everybody see your face. Here, go to the safe house. Me send somebody to you.
Boss, how are you going?
Ghost just shoot somebody in a transport center.
Jaja, so what cause that now?
Somebody grab a fire chain. You see why I'm telling me someone on the day road and have to be as natural as possible?
Yeah, bossy.
Ghost, I need you to stay at the safe house for a little bit.
Yeah, man, what was boss?
Them are gonna run ballistics and all these things by your firearms, so we're gonna deal with that.
Yeah, man.
But you know though, if it go court, we will make my lawyer deal with it. No matter what.
I understand the 100, boss. I'm sorry, say get out of.
Yeah, don't worry yourself. The only reason why it might go court is because people see your face. And you know how that goes.
Alright, boss. Everything good, man.
Alright.
Whispers, you can leave town now and meet me up at the same spot. Cool.
Hey, what's up?
You know my regular.
Yeah, man.
You know what I sit down.
Too far.
Send it over.
Yeah.
Angie, this is for your eyes only. It's a Raymond Savage file. Caught in the force at age 18, became a decorated cop at 22. Got married to Paula Wright at age 24. They had a daughter, Syrian, who was killed by gunmen who had come to kill him. His wife has since divorced him. He's now a rogue cop who kills for money, and he has a taste for blood. It is rumored that he runs a loan company called Easy Go. Angie, stay away from him.